This is Liberty stock number 51468. It's a Greenard model HCA-40-30R 40-ton hydraulic C-frame press. Serial number 02T6178, new 2002. Let's go.
That's
There we
it.
go.
It's a press, yeah. We'll move in. Not much to do on a walk around other than the other side. We can show the panel, front end, of course. Control down low. We're full up on my setting right now. It's not full up where it can go. It's full up on, I got it set for 13 inches. That's where it's sitting, home position.
Okay.
So, yeah, not much here. Maybe you come around the back, show some of the hydraulics up high. I don't know. Yeah, see a little bit from back here.
Okay.
If you lean against the wall, you kind of see things, so.
That's a little tight back here.
Yeah, that's not too bad. Got the cooler up there, motor, the fan. The panel on the side and the pendant, that's pretty much it on this machine. Take a look in here. Yeah, we're live now. PLC's under power. Documentation on the left there on the door. Machine operation, schematics, big and small, nice to have. You good?
Yep, good,
Yeah.
thanks.
So, and then the main pendant. Without running it yet, I have to power up the motor to bring it up, but that's it, you'll see it come up, and then I can call out a few things. It's hard to see on the camera.
See, yeah, it's a bad glare, but go ahead.
Right, we got a bad glare here, but you got them online, so. It's gonna come alive. The three main screens are right here. It's the front screen, and there's a setup screen and a monitor screen. Here's the setup, kind of go through it. I'm sitting at 17 inches up high. I transition at 4 inches, reverse at 2 inches, and then this is also distance reversal or tonnage reversal. We'll flip it over. I got a block of wood. We'll run a few auto cycles on distance. I've got it set for 10-ton reversal. I'll throw a block of wood in there and then we'll reverse on 10 tons. The only other one is the monitor page. Press the monitor. It shows where the ram's at, shows distance. We can just leave it there for now. And I'll run a few cycles.
I wonder if we got that, it's a glitter, but that's great.
Yeah, the glitter's
Thank you.
up, yeah.
Yep.
I'm going to flip over to jog first. Just bring it down manually under jog. You okay here?
Yeah.
Yep. That's a slow speed on jog. And return, of course, here or here. Take it all the way back up. And one more time, halfway. Back up. And we'll go on distance reversal now. Put it in run mode. And dual pumps. 17, 4, and 2, I believe. And I do have a block of wood here that will catch that during that 2-inch transition. I cut it so it'll hit it just right. I've got it set for 10 tons. Reverses on 10 tons. Whichever one comes first on this machine.
Distance or pressure?
Distance or pressure, there's no setting for it. Whatever comes first. If it sees pressure before distance, it gets up and gets out. That's full home, and that's about it. Transducers in back, dual palms, and we're good to go. I'm gonna shut it down.
That was good.
It all runs, yeah. It all runs good. It's good running.